Oh, God, that's just always too cute right there.
Rosco!
Oh, there's a Rosco. Oh, yeah, he's definitely a little thicker than, wow. Good bit thicker.
Hey, little boy. Hey. Little Rosco.
Hey, little cutie pie.
Oh, oh.
Nope. Oh, there goes. Oh, Rosco going right back under the truck. That's cute. Hiding from Vader. Vader running around looking for him like, hey, what are you doing? Oh, hey, Rosco comes out for the sneak attack. Yeah, that's good. Oh, here he comes trying to sneak out.
It'll definitely be one of those where it's like,
Oh, see?
Right.
Keep on running right over top of him.
that's why he gets so mad.
Oh, and there you go. Does he make it to the truck? No, Vader caught him. Oh, does he hide? Whoa, and wait a minute. Oh, there comes Rosco. Yes, he get away. Vader tries to give chase. Oh. That little game is adorable.
Yeah. Hey, Vader.
None of them care about
Vader.
a ball.
No.
No bite. Hey! Can't trample him, dog.
Right. Oh.
You switch it.
Oh, here he comes off to the races.
Vader's funny because when Vader puts his mouth on him, he's like, oh, puppy's gone. I think Vader's going to start holding him down with his mouth. Not really putting his mouth on him, but just holding him down.
That is entirely possible.
See?
Yep. Yep.
He's like, oh, this is how we play?
Yeah. I saw that, man. He just opened his jaws and.
Yeah, he's not putting any.
Oh, oh, Rosco wiped out.
You can't stomp on him, baby.
We know that if people wanted to get away from it, she'd go in between Daddy's legs or under the truck.
Yep. And Vader would know if I was serious when I told him to quit. So
Yeah.
They're like nothing.
he's like, okay, I'll get some makeup. Make sure you're okay. Yep, you're okay. All right, we're good. Let's keep
now
playing.
you got the ball.
Oh, keep away! Oh my goodness, doggy keep away is hilarious.